gloves on the dresser. Toothbrush. We're looking for a girl with no makeup and fuzzy teeth.
Oh, no, thanks, no that. She's traveling a lot of way. Well, looks like somebody's trying to get a hold of her.
Lisa, it's Dad. Are you there? Hello? Honey, give your phone, please. Pick up. Still no answer.
Clearly, you're not packing for a yoga retreat, Molly. From the looks of it, this trip will involve no physical activity. You're in a thrill seeker because you could have bailed on this very girls' weekend. But you saved up to 60% on Hotwire and scored a hotel with a pool there make it happen. So you're gonna gossip, stay out late, and just maybe grind up on somebody you shouldn't. Just for a song or two. So do your thing, girl. Do your thing.
Choose to move freely. Move Free Ultra has triple action support for your joints, cartilage, and bones in one tiny pill. Move Free Ultra. Get your move on. And now try Move Free Night, the first and only 2-in-1 joint and sleep supplement.
New Dana Buckles Triple Zero is my go-to protein snack. Protein from yogurt. Yeah, this Greek non-fat yogurt packs 15 grams of protein and carbs.
What else?
It has zero added sugar, zero artificial sweeteners, and zero fat.
Daniel Rico's Triple Zero. The power you
My name is Jeannie, and I'm the regional sales manager for the western part of Norfolk. I love my job because I get to work with fabulous people. The best customer experience for me is watching the businesses that I've worked with for the past 13 years build new, larger businesses and add locations around the state or around town. It shows that services that we provide help businesses grow and makes them more efficient. When I get asked if I like my job, I tell people that I love my job and I get to work with my common communication.
For kids, having fun means getting dirty. And sometimes, really dirty. Fortunately, all Oxy fights tough grass stains better than the leading value detergent. A lot better. So it's perfect for all the big dents out there. Give us your worst. We'll give it our all.
I'd like you to tell me real truth about what happens after you die.
Separating into near-death experiences and what else? Reincarnation, probably honestly any of this. The clues are all around us. Cross them from everywhere. Never get this chance again. How have we done?
We called two people every day for a week before we got anyone to pay attention.
We finally had contact from the first investigation. And we're very sorry about that. Now we have these two experienced detectives working the case.
And what have you found out? This is what it is. Anything happened to your daughter in her apartment? Thank God. But if you have any idea, you didn't have anything on her. Right now, we don't know that she was taken. She may have gone off with someone. Gone off on her own.
You understand. She's our only child. We talk on the phone at least twice a week. Lisa would have called us if everything's all right. Something must have happened to her.
Yeah, looked like she was packing up her apartment. But she's moving back home temporarily. Is there a problem?
Her job's ending. She's going to stay with us while she looks for another one. What type of work does she